Hey guys, John Vapor Rolling Technology showing off a brand new custom color today, the blue. This is a 3630 that's being fitted up, pretty close to completion here. Wanted to show off the color plus brand new door design that we have that works and seals very well. We've got a lot of feedback from our current customers and we've changed that. We've changed the floor supporting system a bit as well. But all of this stuff is designed and engineered and cut and bent and welded here at our factory in Lincoln, North Carolina. So truly 100% American built. We do not pull this from a shelf. This stuff is made specifically for you. So it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. That's not our approach here, and we hope you guys appreciate that. But we put everything we have into this product. So hopefully you guys can enjoy this and use it for the rest of your life, and we'll be there to support you. If you have questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to help.